Hey, this is Brian Lynn at Green Scene Home Inspections. I'm at a home built in like 2010. I'm at the garage and I'm looking at the water heaters. There's two of them. One in particular is built in 2015. When it comes to water heaters that are over 3 to 5 years old, we tend not to test the temperature pressure relief valve. Reason being, they tend to get corroded, and if you open it up and you can't close it, then you've got an issue. So water heaters, depending on their manufacturer's instructions, recommend the TPR valve to be replaced every 3 to 5 years so it doesn't get corroded. But you also should test it once a year to make sure it's working properly. I'll show you what I see at this one here. This is a 2015 model and it looks like it's been maintained very poorly. I'll show you what I see. This is the outside of it. Of course, it's also draining to the exterior, which is supposed to be fine. But the top part here, as I get up here on top, you can see corrosion. See all this corrosion here? That's telling me there's already some kind of water leak of some sort. Again, we don't test these if they're older, but we do if it looks like there might be an issue. At least I do. Looking at the side of it here, and this joint right there, when you turn it on, whoop, puts out a little water. You can see it's been leaking a little bit of water over time as I've had to release pressure and hot water. And then luckily it goes down into basically a pan in the garage. Of course, the pan does drain to the garage. We don't like to see that. But other than that, that's all I've got to show you. This is Brian Lynn at Green Scene Home Inspections. Thanks for trusting Green Scene and have a great day.